What if the reason your body feels broken, the tight back, clicking shoulders, cranky knees, and constant low energy isn't because you're getting older, but because you've been training the wrong way? I was exactly where you are. Years of heavy benching, deadlifts, bro splits, and fancy programs left me stiff, sore, and sidelined with nagging injuries consistently. My posture collapsed, my joints hurt, and I felt weak, even though I was training hard. I was frustrated and honestly started to lose hope. Then I went back to the movement patterns our ancestors used to survive war, wrestling, and brutal physical labor. These weren't bodybuilding routines. They were raw, functional patterns that build strong, mobile, unbreakable bodies. When I fused those ancient principles with modern tools like kettlebells and dumbbells, everything changed. My pain disappeared, my strength exploded, and my body finally felt good again. In this video, I'm going to give you the 4 exact principles that fix me fast. Principle 1, rotational power. Our ancestors rotated constantly, throwing, swinging, dodging. Their core wasn't just for show. It was a power transfer machine. We barely rotate anymore, and that's why so many of us have weak obliques, tight lower backs, and zero explosive power. The fix, kettlebell rotational work. Start with halos and around the worlds to unlock your spine and shoulders. Then move into single arm rotational swings and wood choppers. These moves rebuilt my core strength, fixed my lower back pain, improved my posture, and gave me that athletic pop I hadn't felt in years. Now, you don't have to just do kettlebells. You can do them with dumbbells. You can do them with bands. Kettlebells is a personal preference. Okay, principle number 2, free flowing pushing. Ancient warriors pushed, climbed, and thrust in battle with fluid, natural shoulder movement. They didn't just pin their shoulder blades down for reps. Modern bench pressing locked me up and wrecked my shoulders. Swinging to free-flowing pushing changed that fast. Use kettlebells or dumbbells for deficit push-ups, hands on the handles or deeper range, or neutral grip presses. Let your shoulder blades move naturally. Bench pressing is great movement, but sometimes we get stuck in the same old movement patterns day in and day out, and that's how we cause overuse injuries. My shoulders became stronger yet looser, the chronic tightness in my upper back vanished, and my posture straightened without me even trying. Principle number 3, deep squat and lower body spring. Old school wrestlers built legendary legs and durable joints through deep high rep squats. Full range, no half reps. Years of sitting in shallow gym squats had my ankles tight, knees sore, and glued to sleep. I fix it with kettlebell goblet squats and Cossack variations. Hold the bell at your chest, sink as deep as possible, use small plates under your heels if needed, and explode up. And also doing bodyweight resistance stuff like Hindu squats also helped. My knees stopped hurting, my ankles opened up, my legs got stronger and more athletic, and I finally got that bouncy, powerful feeling back when I walk and run. Principle number 4, loaded carries and full body integration. Our ancestors carried heavy stones, logs, and animals. This one pattern tied everything together: grip, core, posture, legs, and mental toughness. Adding kettlebell carries, farmers carries, suitcase carries, front rack marches, Turkish get-ups, and dead ball throws helped me massively. This principle finally killed my forward head posture, gave me real world strength, stabilized my hips and spine, and made all the other movements feel more powerful. After consistently training these 4 ancient patterns with modern equipment, my body feels repaired. No more constant soreness, no more nagging injuries. I move better, I look better, and I feel years younger. The old school gym grind broke me. These primal principles fix me. Which one of these ancient principles are you going to try first? Drop your answers in the comments. I read every single one of them. The best comments get a shout out. I might even steal your idea for the next video. If you want the full 4-week program I used to fix my broken body with the exact workouts and progressions, comment fix below and I'll make it in the next video for you, or I'll send it to you. If this resonated, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.